going on in our household right now. And by a lot going on, I mean we have a huge mess. We just brought in groceries. There's also this, which is not my mess. Clutter, clutter. So today we're finally gonna tackle the mess. All right, we just got done with the kitchen, but we're taking a little break because my phone is dying and we're tired. But I wanted to show you what I got at Five Below the other day because I'm very excited about it. We got some coloring books. Let me show you some pages. Oh my God, I love this page. I think it's gonna be so much fun. I got this one and Kato got the complete opposite aesthetic. This horror, it's a glow in the dark horror coloring book. Horror. It has a bunch of monsters and like scary stuff, spooky stuff. Look at this page. This was supposed to be just a little quick break, but I'm on my way to the gym because I was gonna go really late tonight after we finished cleaning everything. Then I realized it's the weekend, which means my gym closes at 9 p.m. So I have about an hour to get there and get it done. And then I'll come back. No promises we'll finish cleaning today. Maybe we'll finish tomorrow, but we'll see what happens. So let's go to the gym. It literally looks like we didn't do anything in here. Love you. We made it. I feel so accomplished. I'm really, my jacket's falling. I'm really glad I was able to get a workout in. Now to go back home, drink my protein shake. Kato's making me my shake as we speak, and he's making dinner. How sweet is he? Then I'm gonna shower, maybe clean, maybe relax. We'll see. Cheers.
What's good, y'all? We finna eat a good little steak, you know what I'm saying?
Look at that.
Look at that.
Thank you, Slubber.
Slubber.
How do you like your steak? Tell me in the comments. Well done, medium,
Come on. Hey.
medium rare.
Golly.
I like it well done, so.
We freaked this one. Oh, shit. Good flavor?
It's good. Getting all my protein in. I have my protein shake that I'm almost done with. My steak. I'm thinking of filming a what I eat in a day video, so let me know if you'd be interested in that. I might film that someday soon. So I've recently discovered that I have very horrible and tight hip flexors, so I'm determined to gain a little bit more flexibility, especially in my hips. My goal is to get my splits down. This is maybe like day 5 of attempting to get my splits, so.
Legs and tracks are back into the house. After rushing to close all the doors, he tries calling.
That is so painful. We'll try again tomorrow. for a day 6 attempt at the splits. And also, I did not come home and clean more, so we will also try that again tomorrow. Good night. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, y'all. We have stuff to do today. First, I need to get my car maintenance. My headlights need to be changed, and my check engine light is on. Hopefully, they don't hit me with a large lump sum of money, because I don't got it. I don't got it. Then I plan to go to the gym and then come back home and finish cleaning the house. So I'll probably pick back up filming once I get to cleaning. I may or may not have ditched all responsibilities for the day because it's way too beautiful out and I had to go to the beach. I just parked. We're gonna get off and enjoy the sunshine. I have my coffee in hand. I don't have a to-go cup, so we're risking it for the biscuit in my coffee mug. And don't you worry, we're still gonna get our cleaning done. That's just not at the top of my priority list right now. Should it be? Maybe. Darby and Bridget bought me hot fries. They know their girl well. It is such a beautiful day. There's literally nobody out because it's midday on a Monday. Happy to be alive. Leaving me. The damn seagulls got my hot fries. Cannot trust those bitches. Literally, as soon as Bridget and Darby left, it immediately got cold and windy. Like, hello? Maybe it's because they bring the sunshine with them. Also, tell me why this cop car is parked directly in front of me. Did I do something wrong? Also, Darby and Bridget got me gifts. Like, surprise! Darby got me this cute knit buttons up. I can't wait to style it. Bridget took a trip to the UK and she brought me back a cute magnet. It's from Ireland. The first magnet to go on my fridge. Very excited about it. Gonna go home now. How many breaks must one take before they get their house clean? No, not even a house, apartment, studio apartment. Ugh. What am I gonna do when I have an actual house? Yeah. That is disgusting. Go comment down below, y'all dusty. Lastly, we are going to Swiffer our floors. We have not mopped our floors in our whole 6 months of living here. Wow, I'm really exposing us in this video, aren't I? But today's the day. Finally have a clean home 3 days later. My favorite thing to do when I finish cleaning is light a candle. I feel like it's a little reward. So I'm gonna light this candle, relax for a little bit, and then go to sleep.
Did you wash your butt?
Babe. Ow! Ah! I don't know why this this one wick doesn't light? Oh my god, having some technical difficulties. Bye, see you in the next video.